All right, Sunday in the garage. Homie Johnny over here, man. And I thought, hey, you guys can join me in for what is to me a celebratory moment to start this bike up. I am going over the kind of the final touches of what I needed to do and to overhaul or get my old man's bike back on the road. It's been like way too long. So I have polished, cleaned, fluid, all the little knick-knack stuff that I needed to address on the home stretch right now. And we're gonna hook up the battery soon. I'm kind of checking the fluids and stuff right now. Johnny's digging over here like a crack addict right now, like a crackhead, trying to find a seat bolt. And I told him, in the dungeon of bolts over here, you may or may not find the seat clip that will hold it, but it doesn't look promising, bud.
No, I don't think so.
But he tried. He's over here like a true crackhead, true junkie, going through it. Yes.
I need a little bit more.
There's enough in there. Nope, that's all you're going to get because you'll spill it. All right, so I'm going to finish up these last little pieces right here. I just checked the oil. There's enough oil inside of it. And now I'm going to bring you guys along. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I've got a new battery for it, that it fires up and I get to hear it again for the first time in... old man, don't kill me. It's been like a year probably. I can comfortably say it's been about a year. That is exactly why I didn't go and fill it up right now. Dad might know a thing or two, huh? Connected the battery now. Definitely hear fuel pump coming on, that's for sure. All right, well, it's been... There's neutral. Do you think it'll start?
I believe it'll start.
Let's see. Yeah, let's see. There you go. All right, let's see. 59,000 miles, gonna hit 40. All right, let's see if it'll start. Fuel pump. It runs. I didn't think there'd be a problem with it turning back on. So, all right. So what I did to this thing, it had been sitting about like a year or so. Dad, my bad, old man. It'd been sitting about a year and maybe more, to be honest, if I'm being honest. But it collected dust. If you let chrome sit, it starts to oxidize. Things just happen. Dead battery. I was going over the tires with Johnny right now. They're dated and stamped. What?
2022?
2022, they're dated and stamped. Now, I don't think I bought them in 22. I might have bought them in like 23. But they were from manufacturer. Who knows? But I don't remember buying them in 22. But sadly, look at them. They still got the nipples on them over here, man. So they have little miles on them. So I'm good with the rubber. But I overhauled this thing, at least brought all the chrome back. I'm going to have my buddy Roach go and polish this thing. I got some more polishing to do. See, like up here, I brought these bars down. See this stuff in here? I'm anal with that shit. All that stuff's got to get some steel wool. Need new mirrors. These are all pitted. These are gone beyond, but it's going to be hitting the streets, dog. It's going to be hitting the streets. I'll slow race with this one, too. I'll still try and slow race with this one. I won't do too well on this one. This one's a little different, but yeah, it's back, baby. It's back. What do you think, Johnny?
I like how it sounds.
What do you think, man?
Sounds very healthy.
Sounds good, right?
It needed a little, feel in the system to get it started.
Yeah.
But besides that, it did good.
Clean paint.
Clean.
This is anniversary, or not anniversary paint. This is limited edition. Like only, I want to say like 50 models is what I was told. That this paint is from Harley. It's not custom. This is Harley-Davidson from the factory, marbleized graphics, everything. This is how it came from Harley. So there were a few, only I think, I understand, 50 of these styles that were made. So I'm trying to keep it exactly as my old man's had it. I'm going to find some paperwork on that, though. it'd be interesting to confirm what my old man was sold. But they did buy it brand new. They bought it from Santa Barbara Harley-Davidson. Do you remember that?
Yes, I do.
It used to be right there in Carpinteria.
Right off Santa Claus.
Yep. So that's where they bought it from. It came from a Harley dealership. It's been in the family since it was brand new. It's never been owned by anybody else. So I know that the paint itself, but how many of them? That is the story as it was told from my old man when they bought it. So back on the road, baby. Back on the road. Coming to Neptune's net near you.